Airplanes at an airport. Airplanes at an airport. Can any one of you take me home? Any? There's so many of you floating up in the sky. So many destinations. I just want to go home. I want to see my mama. I want to walk with my father. Is that too much to ask? Is that too much for you to give? Airplanes at an airport? Can we make a trade? A deal? Kin to something between friends? Uncle Sam's got my money, so you can't have that. I have to feed my family. I know you get that, right? That doesn't leave me much, but I've got time. 36 years of experience, 36 years of life coursing. Can I trade them for a window seat? A seat on a wing, a seat in the middle. Somewhere in there, can you make room, even just a little? I don't even remember what the inside of a plane looks like. I don't even remember what my parents look like. I see them in stages in my mind, pages of my memories 9, 12, 17, 26. 26. That was how old I was when I last saw them. Airplanes at an airport. I'm just one man. One destination is all I have. Can you take me home? You don't understand, but maybe you do. Airplanes at an airport? Can you hear? Do you hear me? I'm parked here, just here, barely sustaining. Airplanes at an airport. I just want out of here. I just want out of fear, out of what didn't happen and what never manifested. Carry me on wings beyond clouds. Take me to that sweet destination, that place my heart is always longing for. Home.